You know, I could really use a cookie right now. I guess that means today on Make It Bake It, we are gonna make some chocolate espresso hazelnut cookies. So let's get to baking. You can view this recipe and many others on MakeItBakeItShow.com. First, we need to peel our hazelnuts. To do this, bring 1½ cups of water to a boil, then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, then add your hazelnuts and boil for 2 minutes. After they've boiled for 2 minutes, you'll notice that the water turns black. Don't worry, that's right. Turn it off and remove it from the heat. Strain the hazelnuts and then pour them onto some paper towels. Wrap them up and rub them all around. This will help get the skin off of the hazelnuts. It should peel off pretty easy. Hazelnuts are notorious for being hard to peel. The baking soda bath does help a lot, but sometimes you'll need to peel one by one. Once you have most of the skins off, rinse them off really well, put them on a baking sheet, and we're going to toast them in the oven at 350 for about 12 minutes. Now let's get started on the cookie dough. Add the butter, sugar, and vanilla to your mixing bowl. Using the paddle attachment, cream all the ingredients together until they're light and fluffy. Bring out your food processor, and into the bowl add the hazelnuts and 2 tablespoons of gluten-free flour. Here we're using Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1. Pulse the food processor to start chopping up the hazelnuts. Add the espresso powder, and then pulse again, pulse, 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 until it turns into a coarse meal. Into your mixing bowl, add the hazelnut mixture, the rest of your flour, and salt. Start mixing it up, and then slowly add your chocolate chips in. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop out about 1 to 2 tablespoons of batter and roll it into a little ball. Put it onto a cookie sheet. Then repeat with the rest of the dough. Bake at 375 for about 12 minutes or until the bottoms are just lightly browned. After taking them out of the oven, roll them in powdered sugar while they're still warm, and then set them aside and let them cool. Once they've cooled, roll them in powdered sugar for the last time. That's better. We hope you liked today's show. If you did, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.